as well as energy with the surrounding environment is called open system. Example for open system. If you take a boiling water in an open vessel, let us take a boiling water. When the water is boiling within the vessel, what will happen? The water vapor as well as the some amount of heat energy, it is going to be exchanged with the surrounding environment. What is closed system? If you carefully observe closed system, right? A system that can exchange only energy with the surrounding environment, but not matter. It is going to exchange only energy but not the matter. Such a system is called as the closed system. Example for closed system, if you carefully see, boiling water in a closed vessel. I am talking about closed vessel, right? If you take a closed vessel, what will happen in the closed vessel, right? Energy is going to be exchanged, not the water vapor. After that, let us take isolated system. What do you mean by isolated system? A system that can exchange neither matter nor energy with the surrounding. Any one only will be exchanged. Neither, neither matter nor energy. Only one of it will be exchanged. Hence, it is called isolated system. Hot water in a insulated thermos flask. If you take a thermal flask or thermos flask, can be taken as best example for the isolated system, right? After that, if you take a homogeneous system, what is homogeneous system? Homogeneous system is very special. It is made up of single phase only. Example, a pure single solid or a liquid gas, a mixture of gases, and a true solution. So, in homogeneous mixture, single type of material will be present. It is a single phase of system, right? Here, example for homogeneous mixture, we can take a pure single solid or a liquid gas. We can take solid or a liquid or a gas, right? So, in a mixture of gases, let us take a mixture of gases, right? And a mixture of gases and a true solution can be taken as homogeneous mixture. Now, what do you mean by heterogeneous system? You know very well about homogeneous, but here now we are learning about heterogeneous system. How to define heterogeneous system? It consisted of two or more phases, but comparative study between homogeneous and heterogeneous systems we have to learn. It consisted of two or more phases, hence it is called heterogeneous mixture or phases. Ice in a contact with water, mixture of two or more immiscible liquids, insoluble solid in contact with a liquid in a contact with vapor. All these are best examples for heterogeneous mixture. Once again, I am telling you, ice in contact, ice in contact, ice in contact, contact with water, and a mixture of two or more immiscible liquids, mixture of two or more, mixture of two or more uh, liquids, insoluble solid which contact with a liquid in contact with vapor are heterogeneous mixtures. Now, my point is all these mixtures you know very well, right? And you know all these examples also. Clear? But the point is you do understand what is the difference between them. Now, we have to learn remaining systems also, right? We have to learn the properties of all these systems also. That I will explain in the next video. Don't forget and let us stay tuned to the video. Have a nice day.